Welcome. In this video I will show you how to resolve most commonly occurring Wi-Fi issues on your OnePlus 15R smartphone. First of all, simply reconnect to your Wi-Fi network by swiping down the control center and tapping on your Wi-Fi icon and tapping on it once again. Alternatively, just reset your network connections by enabling and disabling airplane mode. Then go to settings. If this didn't help you, go to Wi-Fi, disconnect from your Wi-Fi by selecting disconnect, or even forget it completely. Tap remove and then refresh your Wi-Fi routers list and reconnect to your Wi-Fi, re-entering the password to it. Once the password is re-entered, tap save and let your smartphone reconnect to the Wi-Fi. Let's also check Wi-Fi assistant, and here we can enable or disable dual channel network acceleration. Basically, I recommend disabling this feature if you're using Wi-Fi and mobile data at the same time and your Wi-Fi is kind of working slower this way, because it may just use this feature way too aggressively, and because of that you're having some Wi-Fi issues. This is a common issue, and just try to disable this feature and see if this helps you with your problem. You can, by the way, enable auto connect to the best Wi-Fi, but if you're using a single Wi-Fi, if you're, for example, at your home and you only have one Wi-Fi router, then of course you don't need this feature to fix the Wi-Fi connection. Now, first of all, besides doing all of that that is meant and will be meant and mentioned in this video, also check your Wi-Fi router itself. Try connecting to it using other Wi-Fi devices at your home, like your laptop, tablet, etc., and see if they have a stable connection. And if they don't, then it's definitely not your phone's fault. And otherwise, what else we can do here? Of course, we can check for software updates, but to do so, you're still gonna need some kind of internet connection. For example, maybe your mobile data, though it will require may require some big data consumption. So it's better if you have some unlimited data plan for the internet if you're using mobile data to update your smartphone. Otherwise, alternatively, you can use just a different Wi-Fi network to connect to. Just go to System and Update, go to Software Update, and check if your smartphone has any updates to it. And if it does, download, install it. Once again, be careful to not outuse your mobile data with it. And once your update is installed, restart your phone to apply the changes. You'll see the Restart Now option right beneath this update window when the update is finished. Just tap on it and wait until your phone is restarted. And the last thing that we can do, which solves most network issues, not only Wi-Fi issues on the smartphones, is resetting network settings. After that, you will have to reconnect your Wi-Fi network, and you're also gonna have to repair your Bluetooth devices with your smartphone. Basically, all we have to do for that is go to System and Updates, go to Backup and Reset Phone, Reset Network and Bluetooth Settings, and tap Reset. Wait until the settings are reset, and then go back to Settings, go back to Wi-Fi, and try reconnecting to your Wi-Fi network. Okay, now let's tap save, and that's it. At this point, everything should be working normally. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.